silently that night. I think you might have heard the highway calling, geese in flight and dogs at bay, and signs that maybe omens say I'm growing, growing, I'm going to Carolina in my mind, with the Holy Ghost standing round me. Still I'm on the dark side of the moon, and it seems like it goes on like this forever. You must forgive me if I'm a blind gone to Carolina in my mind. In my mind I'm going to Carolina. See the sunshine, can you feel the moonshine? Just like a friend of mine, let me come behind her. I'm going to Carolina in my Hi there, because I've got Sore Fingers again with you for another hopefully interesting lesson. This is part 2 of James Taylor's classic song Carolina in My Mind. Okay, and this lesson we are finishing the song off by doing the bridge section and the final chorus and how it ends on the final chorus. Okay, so what I did on the demo there was basically I did verse 2 running into the actual bridge section. Okay, so when you come out of this verse 2 you do the final line as usual, whereas I'm going to Carolina in mind. Going to Carolina in my mind. Then it goes into the bridge, it goes into 4-finger G with a Holy Ghost of A, understanding B minor round me. And this does that bit on the B minor, 2nd fret bar called B minor. It starts off with the B minor and then it takes this finger off. 2nd finger comes off, opens up that string, and then hammers back in again. So you got the Holy Ghost, G, A, B minor, and then it goes to F sharp minor, 2nd fret bar chord again, 4th fret from the capo on the 5th string and the 4th string. Still I'm on the E minor 7th, 2nd on the 5th and 3rd on the 2nd. Dark side of the G, 4-fingered, move back to the A. Okay, so coming out of the 2nd verse, we'll go back to that bit. Gonna Carolina in my mind, Holy Ghost of others standing round me. Still I'm on the dark side of the moon. Okay, as far as we got. Then it goes into a C chord, and it seems, I'm doing a 4-fingered C. You can do a straightforward simple C, 3-fingered C if you like. I just like to add my 3rd finger up to the 4th bottom E string on the 3rd fret and pinky on the 3rd fret of the 5th string. Then you can hit all 6 strings then, but fine, a simple C is great. Okay, it seems like it goes then to a 4-fingered G, it goes on like this for D, ever. Another bit of that James Taylor type of thing where you take off, you strum this D, and then take off this 2nd finger, open up the E, the top E string, and then hammer back in again. Okay, so it's a Holy Ghost standing round me. Still I'm on the dark side of the moon, and it seems like it goes on like this forever. And then it goes into another C added 9 this time, that chord you played earlier in the song, doubling up on the top 2 strings there on the 3rd fret, 2nd fret on the 4th string, 3rd fret on the 5th string, C at 9, 5 down to 1. So can ever. You must forgive me. And you sort of arpeggiate strum this down. So arpeggiate, and then you just lower. Take these two fingers off. Put the first finger on the second fret of the 5th string, keeping these two where they are. Partial G chord. So you must forgive me. Then play the same thing but with the bottom E string. E minor 7th. So C added 9, hitting the 3rd on the 5th first, and the 2nd on the 5th, keeping those two fingers where they are on the top two strings. Then the bottom E string, E minor 7th, and then to an A7. If I'm, and then you're back to the usual line again. God, Carolina in my mind. Okay, and then you're into the last chorus. Okay, so let's just go through this again. We'll start from verse 2. Okay. Dark and silent, late at night, I think I might have heard the highway calling. Geese in flight and dogs are dying. And signs that made that open say I'm going, going, I'm going to Carolina in my mind. Little with the Holy Ghost standing around me. Still I'm on the dark side of the moon. And it seems like it goes on like this forever. You must forgive me if I'm up and gone Carolina in my mind. Last chorus. In my mind I'm going to Carolina. Can you see the sunshine? Can you feel the moonshine? And a friend of mine, leave on behind. But I'm going to Carolina in my mind. Going to Carolina in my mind. Something like that as an ending, because it just fades out on that on the record. Okay, that sequence. Okay, so the last chorus is exactly the same as all the other choruses, apart from when you come out of it, you go straight into the D rundown that you do during the song. You know, the D, 4th fret on the 5th string, 2nd fret on the 5th string, open A string with the D. You go straight into that bit, and then a G hitting the bottom E string on the 3rd fret, 4-finger G, 2nd fret on the bottom E string as usual, keeping those two fingers where they are. Then move this 1st finger to the 2nd fret on the 5th string, open bottom E string, E minor 7th, then the A7 sus 4, 2nd on the 4th, 3rd on the 2nd, and then you just repeat the whole thing. So I just play the whole thing, that whole bit, coming out of the last chorus, very last line. It goes, California in my mind. And then finally finish it off with a D, typical D. Typical James Taylor sort of arpeggiate, just like you do on the end of a verse. Okay, so once again at normal speed, the last chorus. In my mind, I'm going to Carolina. Can you see the sunshine? Can you feel the moon shining? Make this like a friend of mine. Leave all behind. I'm going to Carolina in my mind. Gonna Carolina in my mind. boys and girls, thanks very much for watching, and hope you enjoyed that lesson. That completes the Carolina in my mind 2 lessons on that song, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.